apples and bananas.
Hey, who wants to draw a rabbit? I do. I'm drawing a big number 3 and connecting the top. Let's draw his arm. Now, let's make his leg and connect it to his body. Just a few squiggles for a fluffy tail and 2 ears on top. Now, let's make his face. Don't forget the whiskers. And a few blades of grass. Time to color. We're coloring this bunny orange. Did you know that rabbits can jump almost 3 feet in the air in one leap? Amazing! Now this rabbit is looking good. Don't forget to color his tail. Let's do some outlining in the color maroon. Let's make the rabbit's paws. And how about a little green grass? All done! Look, you drew a rabbit from a number 3.
Come on and play, play, play. Apples and bananas. Stories and songs, songs, songs. And apples and bananas. Puzzles and games, games, games. And apples and bananas. English and math, math, math. Apples and bananas. Color and draw, draw, draw. And apples and bananas. Download the app, apples and bananas.